Kingsroad, stuck on loading screen, infinite loading issue on Android. R1, restart your Android phone, hold the power button, tap restart, wait for the device to reboot, launch the game again. Number 2, check internet connection. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart your router if needed. Avoid weak internet signals. Retry loading the game. Number 3, clear game cache. Open settings. Go to apps. Select Game of Thrones, Kingsroad. Tap storage, press clear cache, launch the game again. 4, update the game. Open Google Play Store, search Game of Thrones Kingsroad, tap update if available, restart the game after updating. R5, free up storage space. Open settings, storage, delete unused apps or files, make enough free space available, retry loading the game. 6, force stop background apps. Open recent apps menu, close unnecessary applications, free up RAM memory. Launch Kingsroad again, disable battery saver mode, open settings, go to battery, turn off, battery saver, power saving mode, retry loading screen. 8, clear Google Play Services cache. Open settings, go to apps, Google Play Services, tap storage, press clear cache, restart your phone. 9, update Android system, open settings, go to software update, tap download and install your device after update. Number 10, reinstall the game, uninstall Game of Thrones Kingsroad, restart your Android phone, download the game again from Play Store, install and launch the game.